Collision. A collision is said to be occur between two bodies either if they have physically collided against each other or if the path of one is affected by the force exerted by the other. For a collision to take place, the actual physical contact is not necessary. In Rutherford scattering experiment, alpha particles get scattered due to the electrostatic repulsion between the alpha particle and the nucleus from a distance. Here, the alpha particle is said to have suffered collision with the nucleus. The collisions between particles are of following types. First one, elastic collision. If there is no loss of kinetic energy during a collision, it is called an elastic collision. Characteristics of elastic collisions. First one, the momentum is conserved. Second one, the total energy is conserved. Third one, the kinetic energy is conserved. Fourth one, forces involved during the collision are conservative. Last one, the mechanical energy is not converted into light, heat, sound, etc. Examples: collision between subatomic particles, collision between glass balls, etc. Next type is inelastic collision. If there is a loss of kinetic energy during a collision, it is called an inelastic collision. Characteristics of inelastic collisions. First one, the momentum is conserved. Second, total energy is conserved. Third one, the kinetic energy is not conserved. Fourth one, some or all of the forces involved are non-conservative. Last one, a part of the mechanical energy is converted into heat, light, sound, etc. Examples: collision between two vehicles, collision between a ball and floor. Third one is perfectly inelastic collision. If two bodies stick together after the collision and move as a single body with a common velocity, then the collision is said to be perfectly inelastic. In such collisions, momentum is conserved but the loss of kinetic energy is maximum. Examples: mud thrown on a wall and stick to it, a man jumping into a moving trolley, a bullet fired into a wooden block and remaining embedded in it. Fourth one is superelastic or explosive collision. In a such collision, there is an increase in kinetic energy. It occurs if there is a release of potential energy on an impact. Examples: bursting of a cracker when it hits the floor forcefully. The collision of a trolley with another may release a compressed spring and thereby releasing the energy stored in the spring. Fifth one is head-on or one-dimensional collision. It is the collision in which the colliding objects move along the same straight line path before and after the collision. Example: collision between two railway compartments. Last type is oblique or two-dimensional collisions. If two bodies do not move along the same straight line path but lies in the same plane before and after the collision, then the collision is said to be oblique or two-dimensional collision. Example: collision between two carom coins.